Hi, I'm Celine Murphy, your Lexis rep for UB Law School. Today I'm going to show you how to conduct legal research on Lexis using veteran law topics. This video will cover tips for searching and evaluating case results and administrative agency results. Let's begin by signing on to www.lexisnexis.com/law school. Once signed on, click Go to Lexis Advance. Let's say our project involves researching VA home loan assistance and modification or repayment plan options for veterans. To start, you want to look for two things: the word veteran or VA, and we've grouped that as one unit to find, and we want home loan assistance. But I'm not positive if that's a phrase that will always say it that way, or if perhaps it might say assistance with loans for homes or something like that. Because I'm not positive it's a phrase, I'm going to split up the words to appear within the same sentence. So that's why I've written home/s, loan/s, assist. So those three words will appear in the same sentence. You'll also notice there's an exclamation point at the end of assist. If you put an exclamation point at the end of your root word, Lexis will find any given ending of that word. So in this case, it'll find assist, assisting, assisted, assistance. Let's go ahead and search everything for those words. You'll notice that case results display first, and we'll come back to that in a minute. But on the upper left, you can choose other content. It's also searched administrative materials. Keep in mind, you probably want to check administrative materials. This is where you'll find federal and state agencies, their decisions, opinions, and agency-related guidance. Notice under the filters on the left, Federal Agency for VA. That's the Department of Veterans Affairs. Select that. Another helpful filter on the left is Sources, which tells you which agency materials are in your results. For instance, U.S. Board of Veterans Appeals, news releases, benefit fact sheets, speeches, handbooks. These are all resulting in the VA agency for your search terms. We can add additional search terms to search within our results. We can search for additional terms such as repay or modifications. We can always clear our results by clicking the X and starting again. Remember, your saving, storing options are across the top. Save to a current Lexis folder or choose folder and create a new one. Print, email, download, or Dropbox. Actions linked to this page is also an option. It creates a URL that you can then copy and paste to return to any given location on Lexis. Now let's review our case results for veteran home loan assistance. Case results on Lexis have several visual tools to help you easily and quickly analyze your results. The first thing you notice is that your search terms are color-coded, so you can go right to the terms you need. From the site list, you can also click the desired word color and skim the context throughout the opinion. Shepard's displays as a picture to the right of each case, so you can see at a glance how many cases cited to yours, whether neutral, positive, or negative. Any part of that Shepard circle is linkable as well and will take you to the Shepard's results. You also have a link that displays which case headnote was the most cited one. Results on Lexis will automatically display by relevancy. And for cases, there is a new Ravel view, which puts the top 75 results in a picture to make sure you don't miss an important case. In the Ravel image, each circle represents a case. The placement of the circle from bottom to top of the grid is the court level, and from left to right is a timeline of older to newer. The size of the circle indicates how often it is cited by the other top cases. In the Ravel view image, the larger the circle means many cases are citing to it. If the most relevant cases are citing to the same case, you want to make sure to take a look at that one too. Returning to our traditional view of cases, note that you can change the display from relevancy to highest court, newest court, or a combination of highest and newest. You can, of course, also use the filters to the left to add additional terms, or to narrow by a given court. Select multiple when you want to choose more than one court. Here this gives you more options where you can choose, for instance, Second Circuit, but perhaps only the New York District Courts within the Second Circuit, and also U.S. Supreme Court, so that I'm seeing the cases above the Second Circuit as well. Remember, you can click History to return to your searches. You can access your folders under the More, and you can also access live chat support to type your questions for research assistance. Thank you for watching. My next video will cover searching for veterans law in news and legal news and setting up alerts to keep track of your searches.